everyone. মাছ মাছৰ কাৰী এয়া হ'ল মাছ মাংস চৰি মাংস মাছ মাছ এইখিনি হ'ব ফ্ৰাই কাৰী
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup, yeah, we go slow.
Once the spices are perfectly roasted, I'm pouring in the water. Now, we need to bring this to a rolling boil. As you can see, the gravy is bubbling away. This is the perfect time to slide in the fresh fish pieces. Be gentle so they don't break, and let them simmer so they soak up all those rich flavors. Just let it simmer for another couple of minutes on low heat, and there you have it. Our delicious aromatic Kerala-style fish curry is ready to be served. It looks absolutely mouth-watering and smells incredible.